One of my fellow rooters, Phil Walling, just recently retired from DuPont after 39 years. So some days, if you've seen Disney's Christmas special, Prep and Landing, Wayne, when he talks about, I've been doing this a long, long time. I've been at this investigation stuff a long, long time. And so just a friendly reminder, sometimes it's back to basics, sometimes it's the fundamentals, sometimes it's the blocking and tackling. And so who's going to do your investigations? It's your people. So trying to help and support them and enable them to do the best investigation work that they can. So just a couple of reminders. One, try to make sure that you have a trained and experienced investigation facilitator. Maybe some upfront training, summary training for those people that may not be as familiar with Taproot or investigation. And then just making sure you have the right team with the right kinds of expertise and experiences involved. Thanks.